How can we change the language of DeepSeek AI? When you head to Settings here at the bottom left, then you click the Setting toggle here, you will see language option, but there are only two choices really, English or Chinese. So how can we interact with this AI in any other language? That's very simple. You just simply start using that language in the chat. So I asked the question in Polish, and now we expect the chat to kind of decode which language was used and give us the answer in the very same language. Now we are in the reasoning phase when he is kind of gathering information and try to make sense out of it. And here it is. Even though he did all of the reasoning in English, for the final answer he giving me this in the Polish language, the same language I used to ask him. So that's pretty good. And to gather this data, he also scattered multiple websites that are in the Polish language. I saw that in the reasoning phase. So as you can see, you can freely use most of modern languages with this AI, and he will try to understand you and give you the answer in the very same language. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.